family. I haven't seen them in a while. You've been good, busier than ever. Your small talk, work and the weather. Your guard is up and not alive. Because the last time you saw me, it still burned in the back of your mind. You gave me roses and I left them there to die. These days I haven't been sleeping, staying up late, begging myself leaving. When your birthday passed and I didn't go, then I think of that summer, of the beautiful times. I watched you laughing from the passenger side. I realized I loved you and the fall. Then the cold came, the dark days when fear crept into my mind. You gave me all your love and all I gave you was goodbye. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December, turn around and make it alright. I go back to December all the time. I miss your tan skin, your sweet smile, so good to me, so right. And now you held me in your arms, that's the tender night. First time you ever saw me cry. Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably mindless dreaming. But together sooner right. Back in time and changing, but I can't. So if the chain is on your door, I understand. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I'd realized what I had when you were mine. I'd go back to December, turn around and make it alright. I'd go back to December, turn around and change my own mind. I'd go back to December all the time. All the time.